Okay, we're just getting information that. Okay, we're getting more information. We're getting more information that's trickling in right now. The Israeli ambassador to India, Ambassador Ron Malka, has just spoken to India today and confirmed that everybody in the embassy is safe. We are all fine. The mission is on high alert. We are cooperating with the Delhi police authorities and are in touch with the Ministry of External Affairs. So Ambassador Ron Malka of Israel, he's the Israeli ambassador to India on a day when India and Israel are actually celebrating their 29th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the two countries. This blast has taken place right outside the embassy. He says that everybody is fine. The mission is on high alert. They're in touch with the Delhi police as well as the External Affairs Ministry. Gaurav, we do know that the Delhi Police Special Cell is likely to have begun to access CCTV images from different parts of APJ Abdul Kalam Marg at this time. Any more details on that?
So both the Delhi police and the intelligence bureau Shiv constantly in touch with the Israeli embassy, because as you and I have reported in the past, this is one embassy which is always extremely high on the terror radar. So cooperation, security, all of that is extremely high. So CCTV images from here are being looked at. Apparently the cameras here were either not working or had been removed for maintenance. Again, that's something that is subject to confirmation at this point of time, because some CCTV camera images were available, there are issues with those images at this point of time. Again, once the Delhi police has looked at the entire bigger picture, we'll have more details, Shiv, because right now we are also looking at little bits of information that are coming in, talking to our sources, and then trying to piece together what happened. So the bigger picture may take some time to emerge, but one of the senior police officers I spoke to the moment we reached here, he seemed to indicate that this is the work of mischievous elements, the kind of crude device, that was the word that he used, that it was a very crude device that appeared to have been hurriedly assembled, and that device which had ball bearings in it, he didn't give out the nature of explosives, because he said that is the job of the bomb squad to give details. And he said once that is known, perhaps there may be a signature of who are the elements who work with these kinds, either the material or how it was put together, where it was put together. The moment they have more details, then their investigation really kicks off. Once the bomb data center and the bomb squad are able to piece together the nature of the improvised explosive device, Shiv.
Stay with me, Gaurav. Home Minister Amit Shah is personally monitoring the situation. He's in touch with all the heads of all the agencies right now, and I imagine that he's getting a minute-by-minute briefing of all developments on the ground, because this is still an unfolding story. Remember, this is a high-security zone, so this is an unfolding story. I want to once again reassure all of my viewers that we are not training our cameras at anything